areas, because when it comes to AI, it doesn't end, as you all know that. So we need to learn this stuff, and we need to learn it from great people. So Peter, could you announce the people here that are
facilitators? So I just like to go around the room just to point them out so that you know, because next, actually Wednesday, there will be the same people there. So Garrett just stood up, so Garrett is the first one.
That's how you get first.
You stood up.
Yeah.
I was volunteer.
Just your name and who you are.
My name's Garrett, a lab coordinator here at FSW, helping with the entrepreneurship. We just got awesome Blackmagic 4K studio cameras at the Lee Collier campus. So hopefully do some shoots with that and do some news, some type of situation with that, and get some studios going with that.
Yay.
Thank you. And then Alex, please.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Nice to meet some of you. This is a great pleasure. I'm Dr. Alex Mahanka. I'm a faculty professor at the Lee campus, focusing on cybersecurity and information systems.
Nice. Thank you.
Craig Paceris Henderson, I'm the chairman of Neuro. We're an AI agency. We help small and medium-sized businesses all the way up to enterprise businesses with AI.
Excellent, thank you.
HI first.
HI and AI, that's right.
Hello, Chris Young, founder and CEO of Authentify AI. We authenticate and verify human authorship in the AI human experience to protect humans.
Thank you, Chris. And Chris's platform we may use at FSW as well, because we ask the students to, and the FGCU is already testing that platform, because we ask students to use AI, so this would be one of those platforms where we can see how much a student created and how much AI created. So that would be very, very useful for us as well.
Hello everybody, my name is Chase Henderson. I'm the CEO of Neuro, so I work with that guy over there. AI agency in town. We help small to medium-sized businesses and enterprise clients with AI integrations into their workflows and operations.
Thank you, Chase. Here you go, TJ.
TJ Boone, I'm the CEO and founder of Sunstream AI. We help small and medium-sized businesses gain more efficiency and profitability with AI.
Excellent, thank you much. And Crystal.
Hi, my name is Crystal Wernicke. I'm the program coordinator for the Risk Cybersecurity Institute at FSW.
She is the master of that domain, I can tell you that.
Sorry.
And then Mike.
Hey, I'm Mike Myers. I'm the manager of the Innovation Lab at the Lee campus. I get to play and test with all the cool toys we have there.
And Mike is the master of that domain. Okay? And yes, if you get the chance and you want to have a little tour of the Innovation Center and the 2 beta sites that we built, please let us know and we would love to do that for you. Okay? All right, thank you.
Peter, tell us about
more parts of my business, and that's when you go to Craig and to Chase and to TJ, and that's when you come to them, because once you understand the power of what this is, you're going to be absolutely shocked at how much you realize you can now do, you know, because AI exists, right? I'm shocked at how much I can do because AI exists. Just what we did a second ago, right? And with the Hilton, what we did, it's crazy how fast it is. So I want everybody to